Hi everyone!
We are a team of high schoolers based in the Bay Area.
STEMpower aims to inspire the next generation of creative thinkers to be interested in STEM fields through hands-on and engaging workshops.
By fostering openness and confidence, we help students strengthen their teamwork, leadership, and communication skills.
We seek to create an accepting and empowering learning environment for students as they explore science, technology, engineering, math, and everything in between.
How do we do this?
We partner with schools and youth programs like the YMCA to bring innovative curriculum to elementary school students.
We carry out the workshops in person, but in adapting to the recent pandemic, we have found ways to reach our students virtually.
We create activity sheets and videos for students to interact with.
And we will continue to work towards a brighter STEM future. And with your support, we'll be able to accomplish even more.
Thank you for visiting us. We hope we have something for you.